Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Well, good Tuesday morning. It's 11 minutes past the hour, and we're waking up to a beautiful morning that'll be followed by a beautiful day. 70 is our average high. We're headed for the mid-70s. That's where we've been landing here the last 2 or 3 days, and we're going to do that again today. Sunrise this morning was at 5:27, sunset tonight at 8:37. It is going to be a beautiful day in between both of those. Certainly has started out that way. We have a few high, thin cirrus clouds out there, and that's about it right now. We may get a puff of a cloud or two, but nothing that's going to threaten any showers, and that makes for an easy commute this morning. Even the mountains are in pretty good shape. The one caveat here is actually Government Camp. They're starting to see the fog lift there this morning, but it has been a little thick at times, so be careful if you're headed over that way. Once the sun gets up, a lot of that will dissipate. The rest of the mountain passes are in great shape. A lot of storm activity through the heartland. In fact, the Texas Gulf Coast is getting hammered once again. That's now pushing into Louisiana. We have storms gravitating into Nebraska. They were pummeled by big storms yesterday and a few other spotty storms as well. The desert Southwest and the West Coast, for the most part, in great shape. We do have a few more clouds headed in our direction, but they really are not going to spoil the day. The big storm that really wasn't all that grand for us. Brought a few clouds, a few sprinkles yesterday afternoon. All of that's moving down the Canadian border here, and it's going to carry on out of our area and leave us in great shape. Now, our future track model is actually showing us with a few thin clouds here and there, and by the time we get into tomorrow morning, we're going to see some high pressure build in and we get a lot of sunshine. Now, we may see a few more thin clouds between now and Friday night, but it really isn't going to amount to a great deal. We are looking at a beautiful day ahead. The winds right now are very light and variable. They will take more of a westerly and northwesterly push, but they'll stay gentle today, 5 to 10 miles an hour, maybe 15 miles an hour in a few spots. So overall, not a terribly windy day. Morning thermometers aren't bad. We've been in the low to mid 40s for most. Sun River has dropped to 38, 39 in La Pine, 52 in Warm Springs is the warm spot this morning, and all across the high desert we are looking for plenty of sunshine, very mild temperatures. 70 is our average daytime high, so we're going to exceed that in just about every form here. The warm-up continues from here. We get plenty of sunshine through the middle of the week. We'll be in the low 80s on Wednesday and the mid-80s on Thursday. The warmest day actually is going to be Friday. Now, we'll also introduce a few more clouds later in the day Friday. We're pushing some moisture in over these very warm temperatures, so not only do we get cloud development, but Friday night we get a chance at seeing some scattered showers and thunderstorms. That will intensify on Saturday. With this moisture coming through, we also will mix in some cooler air, so we'll get down to something a little more average on Sunday, and then that chance of storm activity just gets reduced to scattered showers by Monday.